How to delete Telegram X account permanently. First, open Telegram X app on your mobile device. Make sure that you log into your account. Navigate to three-bar icon at top left corner and select Settings option. Now scroll down to Privacy and Security option. Scroll down and navigate to Delete Telegram X or simply delete my account now. And here you can easily wait you're entering the danger zone, so you can show the alternatives. So here you got the option of permanently delete account at bottom of your screen. You can simply choose it and then tap on proceed anyway. So this will permanently delete all data associated with the account. There will be no way to restore it. And after confirmation, your account on Telegram X will be permanently deleted. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. See you in the next one.